Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the Rogers Kakasungura YouTube channel, a platform where we speak nothing but the reality as far as the Kenyan politics is concerned. Welcome to this platform, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. There are people who are putting efforts to make sure that this platform is growing. May you never lack, and may God really bless you abundantly. Back to the Kenyan politics, and as usual, I will be mixing Swahili and English where necessary, ladies and gentlemen. Let me say this. There comes a time when we call a spade a spade. There comes a time when we must face the reality, no matter how bitter it sounds. And I know a number of people do not like reality. Immediately, William Ruto appointed the permanent secretaries. I came to this very platform to complain on the composition of the appointees. Those who follow me, you remember, some regions were awarded extra and some regions were omitted. For instance, the people from central Kenya were over-rewarded. The people from Rift Valley were over-rewarded. You can go back to my videos and find that video where I was speaking on the PS nominees. But that is not the case today. Today, the Kenyan court has pronounced itself in a voice that has been loudly heard by every citizen in this Republic of Kenya. The court has pronounced itself without favor and fear. And I want to congratulate whoever who was responsible for this case, that you have served Kenyans their rights. The list was tribal and lacked gender balance. You remember, the vetting exercise is currently ongoing. And today, the it's called Employment and Labor Relations Court, something like that. Today, it has officially halted the ongoing vetting of the permanent secretaries. The court has said the exercise must stop until the case is heard and determined. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, it's called the Employment and Labor Relations Court. It has spoken in a way that Kenyans understand. And going forward as a nation, we want bold courts like this one. We need bold judges like this ones. The people can stand without fear of anything to give Kenyans what they really want. Ladies and gentlemen, now today, Justice Nzioka Wamakau has issued an order to stop the exercise. And this is how the order reads. A conservatory order is hereby issued restraining and barring the National Assembly from receiving, or if already received, barring the processing, vetting, or in any way proceedings or processing the nomination for appointment of the 51 nominees as permanent secretaries. Now, we remember the Law Society of Kenya filed a petition to challenge the appointment of the nominees. And in the argument, they were saying the list lacked gender balance and it was marred with tribalism. Right? So the Law Society said it lacked regional balance. Okay, number one, it lacked regional balance. Number two, it lacked gender balance. Number three, the list looked tribal. Ilionekana ni kama ni serikali ya two regions, that is Central Kenya and Rift Valley. You remember, Central Kenya received about 12, yes, and Rift Valley received about 12 or 13. When you add, you can see where we are heading to. They have taken two regions, taking in fact a half of government, when other regions like Kisii missed, when other regions like Nyamira missed, and other counties missed complete, not even a single PS. I had suggested personally, we have 47 counties and we had 51 positions. Kila county ingepewa position 1. Wakimaliza 47 ndio waanze kurudia tena. Lakini sasa, anyway, the order further reads, on the impugned list of 51, 13 are Kalenjins. 13 are Kalenjins. This one now puts it very clear. The order from the judge. On the impugned list of 51, you can imagine the government that was singing during campaigns that they are coming to end tribalism are doing this. And I've been telling you, hakuna mwanasiasa atakuja kukupigania kwa serikali. Forget about it. Sahau. Kama uko nyumbani umelala unasema upangwingi na ungoje kwamba mwanasiasa ambaye ulituma bungeni ama kwa serikali ya kutetee, my friend, get up before your bed is wet. Listen. Out of 51, 13 are Kalenjins from Rift Valley. 13 are from Central Kenya, which is not the detriment of the other 40 tribes and communities in Kenya. That is not my own words. Those are the words from the court documents. Those are words from the petition. Ladies and gentlemen. So, 2 tribes are sharing 26 positions out of 51. You can imagine. Only 2 tribes out of 40. 2 tribes are sharing 26 positions out of the 51. Hey! Impunity of the highest order. Na hawa ndio watu walikuwa wanaimba kwamba sisi tunakuja kumaliza ukabila kwa serikali. Ukabila na nani? Kwa nani? Na nani? Tajua hamjui. You know, mimi wakati niliweka haya maneno, watu wakasema, "Oh, kaka, you are encouraging tribalism. Oh, kaka, you are inciting. Oh, kaka, I don't know, unachukia Ruto. Oh, kaka, unachukia Kenya Kwanza." These are documents from the court. Huyu sio mimi. These are documents from the court. Hizi sio za Kakasungura. Mimi sikupeleka petition. I didn't file a case. Mimi sikuketi chini niandike petition nipeleke kesi kotini. Hapana. Haya ni maneno ya koti kutoka kwa Law Society of Kenya and the orders from Justice Zioka. Yes. Hasi maneno ya kaka. Kwa hivyo wale mnasema, "Oh, kaka anachukia sijui. Oh, kaka ulikuwa unaendesha tribalism." Oh, okay. Kwa hivyo na koti pia inaendesha tribalism. Najua kuna vitu ninaongea hapa mnafikiria ni mchezo. But I mean it when I speak. Immediately the list was out. Just a few hours. Immediately the list was out. I was the very first person to flag it down. Why? It lacked merit. It lacked regional balance. It was tribal. And those are the issues I raised in my analysis. And they have come to pass. Ladies and gentlemen, through the lawyers Stephen Muli and Kevin Walumbe, the Law Society of Kenya is urging the Kenya Kwanza government, or let's say William Ruto because he's in charge of government, that the list disregarded 26 qualified candidates for the position wakatupwa nje. Those who qualified, they were thrown out of the list. Now, the application further reads, the composition of the list of 51 nominated for approval was after disregarding and ignoring other 426 candidates who were qualified, and some would have been nominated to meet the constitutional dictate for regional balance, gender equality, youth, and people living with disabilities. Wow, at this rate, I must go and study law. I must become a lawyer by whatever means. The way I'm putting things, I think I must become a lawyer. By the way, I have a letter of law. I don't know. Sijui mbona niliwachana na hii. Nilipewa barua ya from Inorero University. That was around 2012. Barua niende kusomea law. Nikasema hapana, mimi nataka journalism. Nikaitwa tena Multimedia University Nairobi. So I'm thinking like kuna mahali Mungu alikuwa ameniita lakini nikakataa. I must go back to my roots. Ladies and gentlemen, the Law Society further says the list does not depict national representation. Now, the labor body, that is the LCK, they further argues that the list of nominees currently being vetted has been discriminatory and in total disregard of the law. The people of Kenya Kwanza will be adversely affected in their capacity and collectively as an organization working with an executive that does not reflect the face of Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, I just love this. Now, this is what I've been fighting for. You remember when I started my analysis, I have been telling you, we will fight for justice. It doesn't matter how long it takes us, but at least one day, one time, 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second, God will hear our prayers. I have been telling you this. Mimi nimekuwa nikiwaambia, it doesn't matter how long it takes, even after when I'm out of this platform. Haijalishi ni miaka ngapi, haijalishi ni siku ngapi, haijalishi ni masaa mangapi, haijalishi ni wiki ngapi, haijalishi ni miezi mingapi, but I believe as a critically thinking citizen of this republic, I know a time is coming in this country when true justice will be served to the people of the Republic of Kenya. Najua serikali ikishika nguvu wataanza kutusaka na kututafuta, but we are not scared. Whatever we speak here is very hot. We are dismantling powerful territories. I know when government stabilizes wataanza kututafuta, but we tell them we are not scared. We'll stand for justice, we'll stand for truth. Kwani ni wangapi wamekufa kwa kutetea haki? How many people have died? That's a gentleman. Let's all stand up where you are. If you believe in true justice, let's all of us stand up. It doesn't matter where you can use your small avenue to preach true justice. Unaweza ukatumia Facebook page, unaweza ukatumia your YouTube channel kama uko nayo, unaweza ukatumia your WhatsApp groups, unaweza ukatumia hata kanisani, hata nyumbani unapoenda, unapozungumza na wazazi na mandugu zenu na cousins. Preach to them that a country that stays safe is a country that fights for justice. That is it. And if you love justice, by now ungekuwa umeshare hii video 49 times. God bless you. See you in the next video, ladies and gentlemen.